Deadpool's turn to shine.
Pew, 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 pew.
Heads up, losers!
A game within a game. A meta. Thank goodness this book has pictures.
In your face with mine! I'll take my paycheck now.
Better stop that vehicle!
Ha! You really said it. It's a pool party!
Oh, look at all the Widow Witties.
Say cheese! Sucks to be you!
Only 60 seconds left.
I can't perform under that kind of pressure. Let's get this game show on the road. What are you waving at? Well, are we taking them down or not? It's Deadpool time, kiddos. Let's go! Come on over! Daddy DP will heal you up. You're lucky I programmed my swords to heal! Now get to slicing! With me on the front lines, we can't lose. Flushing power! Don't blow this for me, okay?
Executioner!
My work here is done! I'm the best there is! Suck it, Logan!
One for the scrapbook.